market share fluctuates over the year, primarily due to mergers and within the insurance sector. Although a good indicator of a company worth, it should not be the critical determining factor when choosing the appropriate cover of your requirements. There is no one best life insurance company. Each life insurer is different. A company that's well situated to be family with a dependent child might not be best options for a single career driven 20-something young professionals. Life insurance companies in Australia offer competitive premium and benefit to suit people at different stage of their lives. However, some companies might provide you with cheaper premium and better coverage depending on your specific requirements. The best life insurance is the one that suits your requirements and fits your budgets while providing you peace of mind that your family will be protected if you pass away or get diagnosed with a terminal illness. There are various factors to consider before choosing a life insurer, including their policy features and benefits and the short and long-term affordability of your premium, suited to your specific requirements. Make sure the company you choose provides you with enough coverage so that your family you can keep living to their accustomed standard of living. There are accustomed if you are single, make sure your cover is enough of outstanding debts included free built-in policy benefits. Also, you might want to consider a life insurance provider that offer additional benefits such as a funeral advertisement benefit so your final expense can be paid while they await payment for the remainder of their lump sum. There are a number of these benefits that may be of benefit to you. Make sure you carefully review the company's product consultant statements so you know exactly what is and what is not covered. The offering from a direct insurer versus a retail insurer and a group super fund are very different, which is why it's so important that you carefully read the terms and conditions. Calculate whether you will be able to afford the policy premium now and in the future. If you are looking for short-term affordability, a stepped premium style might be best for you. On the other hand, if you are able to start with higher premium, which don't increase every year due to your age, then a company offering level premium might be better. Discount and rewards. Consider companies that add more values with healthy living rewards, helping you save on your premium while encouraging you to live a healthiness life. Although rewards programs should not be only deciding factor when choosing a company, it does add there's something extra.